Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for Monday, October 22nd, 2012. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Today, the U.S. equity markets managed to squeeze out a break-even. We still have the Aussie Swiss and the Swiss yen trades open. These are highlighted in green. We've put orders in today to buy the Euro CAD and the Euro Yen. These are highlighted in dark blue. This is the Aussie Swiss price chart. We still have 2 micros open. The stop loss remains at 0.9613. This can be seen by the dark blue dot. Here's the Swiss yen chart. Our entry price was 85.64. We still have 3 micros open. Our stop loss is at 84.05 as seen by the pink dot. We're now looking at the Euro CAD price chart. We have a buy order at 1.3024 with our stop loss at 1.2684. Here's the Euro Yen price chart. We have a buy order at 104.57 and our stop loss is at 101.69. When we do our daily 30-minute review of the 28 Forex pair price charts, we can determine if a pair is trending because the ADX will be green. This trend review list shows those pairs today that have a green ADX. Also noted is the direction of the trend. Once we know which pairs are trending, our next step is to determine which currencies are strong and which are weak. The pairs that are trending are listed in the left-hand column. The center column shows the strength for each of the 8 currencies. We've taken this strength information and have listed the strongest and weakest currencies that have a strength of 3 or higher in the right-hand column. In order to choose the pairs that have the highest probability of being successful, we match the 2 strongest with the 2 weakest currencies. These pairs must also have a green ADX. Today we've come up with 4 pairs for potential trades. Forex trading tip number 53. The 10 Laws of Day Trading by Peter Resnicek. Today let's discuss law number 4. Relative strength is the key. With relative strength, we're attempting to measure the strength of what we want to trade against something else. For example, the use of relative strength when trading stocks, we will take a stock like Apple and we will measure the strength of its price move against maybe the move of the NASDAQ. It could also be a comparison of one stock's move against another stock. The whole purpose of relative strength is to determine if this stock's price move is stronger than another's move. With Forex, making a relative strength determination becomes a bit more tricky than with stocks. Forex consists of 2 currencies, one that has been purchased and another that has been sold. You can try to measure a Forex price move against an index, but it's questionable if the results are useful or not. If you can find a relationship between a currency pair and an index, the question would be, how long will this relationship hold? I believe it's important to try and determine the strength of the 8 currencies that are traded in my basic Forex trading system. My method entails measuring one currency against the others to determine which are currently strong and getting stronger and which are weak and getting weaker. This way I can match up the stronger currency with the weaker currency to find a higher probability trade. I do this by using the ADX indicator. Today's quotation is by John Yigerson and Wade Hansen from their book, Profiting with Forex. Money management involves determining how much of your overall portfolio you're willing to put at risk in any one trade, how many contracts your risk tolerance warrants, and how you can improve your investing strategies. This quote is interesting. If you've been listening to the quotations, we keep coming back to this theme. How much you're willing to risk on any one trade and your investing strategy dictate how many contracts or lots you can trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. Please also watch for the upcoming details on my podcasts.